Good afternoon, everyone. It's Louise here from Eleanor Grace. So, as promised, from our group, our Facebook group, which is Slow Stitching by Hand with Eleanor Grace, which is me, Louise, we were talking about the difference in naming conventions across the world. And I stupidly thought all fabrics were called the same thing, but they're not. I will always on the group, I'll use the British terminology because that's what I'm used to. I know we have members from all over the world, which is wonderful, but ostensibly we're a British group. So for the purposes of when I'm presenting anything or talking about anything, I will use the British terminology because I will otherwise get very confused. So this is one of my practice pads. And this is just a piece of felt. I've got a video on how to make it. It's very, very simple. I use these a lot when I'm working on a piece and I'm thinking about what I'm going to do with it. And so this is what I would call calico in the UK, I believe in Australia, New Zealand. I'm not sure about Canada, but certainly for us, this is calico. It's plain, unbleached cotton. It comes in different weights. This is a light to medium, so it's not particularly slubby, but it's just got that sort of rough texture to it. It's not something I'd have on display. It would be something that I would back things with, and it's something I would use as an underneath layer. But I wouldn't usually put this out on display. Now, my understanding is this is called muslin in America, which really confused me because to us, this is muslin, which is a very fine, netty sort of fabric, very soft. It's often used for like babies' or blankets or sort of cleaning. Cleaning them. It's very soft. It's very sheer, and I predominantly going to be using it for my lavender hearts. So I'm going to put the lavender inside it, stitch it up into a little parcel, and put it inside the lavender heart. So yeah, I'm really confused now. But this is the terminology that I will use. What I'm really interested to know is what would Americans call this? If this is not muslin, what is it? So my understanding is that calico for you is a printed fabric, and there is another name which I've completely forgotten for the plain. No, the plain is muslin. Yeah. So printed is for you, for America is calico, but the plain is muslin. So yeah, in terms of Brits, as I say, this is calico and this is muslin. But Mum has kindly dropped me some off because I didn't have any. I'm waiting for my little delivery of lavender to come, and I'm going to package these hearts up. I thought I'd just do a little video to clarify. So I'd be really interested if these are called different things where you are, or if they're called the same. Would you please comment on this, just so I can get an idea of what we're calling these, across the world. Otherwise, other things seem to be the same. We've got linen, cotton, etc., etc. But yeah, I was not aware of the difference. So sorry if I've confused anyone, but this is what I would work on, is that this I would call calico and this I would call muslin. So thank you everyone for letting me waffle, and I hope you have a good weekend and see you soon. Bye.